log into your PulseGrowth account. Head over to the Marketing tab in the main menu. Once you're inside Marketing, click on the Affiliate Manager tab and then select Affiliates. To create a new affiliate, click on Create New Affiliate and simply add their basic information, such as name and email address. This is the manual way to add affiliates, and it's perfect if you're setting someone up individually. Once you save this, your affiliate will automatically receive an email containing their portal login link. They'll be able to click that link later to set their password and access their affiliate dashboard. Once your affiliate is created, the next step is to set up a campaign. So let's move over to Campaigns and click Add Campaign. Give your campaign a name, then select where your product lives. This could be a funnel, a website, a form, or any other asset connected to your offer. After that, click on Set Up Rewards. This is where you define how your affiliates get paid. You can set a default commission for the campaign, and under Advanced Commission Settings, you can create custom commissions for different products. You also have the option to use variable commissions, depending on what works best for your business model. You can even define the commission duration, which controls how long affiliates continue earning from a referred customer. If you'd like to enable sub-affiliates, you can do that here as well. Simply click on Configure Multiple Tiers. Choose how many tiers you'd like for your campaign. Select the default commission for all products and then save your settings. This allows your affiliates to invite other affiliates underneath them and earn from those referrals too. Once that's done, click Assign Affiliate and select the affiliate you'd like to connect to this campaign. Again, this is the manual method, but remember, you can also automate this entire process with workflows, so affiliates are assigned automatically as soon as they qualify. Next, head over to Additional Settings. Here, you can choose which email template your affiliates receive, or you can simply use the default template provided by PulseGrowth. You can also set payout terms, enable setup fees in commission calculations, and turn on the sub-affiliate form. This form allows your affiliates to recruit their own sub-affiliates directly. Just select the form you'd like to use, and you're good to go. Once everything looks good, click Publish on your campaign. At this point, your affiliate will receive an email with their login link. When they click that link, they'll be prompted to create their password and access their client portal. Inside their dashboard, they'll be able to see all assigned campaigns, along with real-time statistics such as links, leads, clicks, customers, and commissions. They'll also see a sub-affiliates tab, where they can share their unique form link with others who want to join under them. Anyone who fills out that form becomes their sub-affiliate automatically. Under the Commissions tab, affiliates can view all commission activity, payouts, and performance details in one place. And that's it. You've now learned how to set up the Affiliate Manager inside your PulseGrowth account, from creating affiliates, building campaigns, configuring commissions, enabling sub-affiliates, and giving your partners access to their own dashboards. If you'd like more help or deeper tutorials, feel free to visit our support portal, and if you have any questions at all, you can always reach out to us directly at connectorpulsegrowth.io. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.